Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to bring your presentations to life with awesome Canva animations? Let's get started. Click the Create button, then choose Videos from the options. For this tutorial, select the landscape video format to get started with your project. Next, go to Templates. Here, you'll see a variety of template options available. Browse through the different templates and select the one that best fits your project needs. This will help you get started quickly with a pre-made layout. To add a template, go to the template option and select the template you want. Apply it to your slides by clicking the template, and your pages will automatically update with the new design. A video has been added to the slide. To watch the presentation with the video included, click the Present button at the top right. This will start the slideshow, allowing you to see the video play within your presentation. This video outlines the steps to bake bread. There are 3 main steps demonstrated. Watch closely as each stage is explained. Follow the instructions in order to achieve the best results. Let's review each of the 3 steps needed to successfully bake bread. Here you'll see a final output displayed. This result appears after you've completed all the previous steps. Use this output to verify that the process worked correctly and your actions produced the expected result. To add audio to your video, click the Add Audio button. Browse your files, select the audio track you want, and click Open. The chosen audio will be added to your project. To add music and sound effects, click the Audio tab. Here, you'll find the Magic Recommendation feature, which suggests audio tracks automatically. Browse the recommendations, preview tracks, and choose the one that best fits your project. There is an advertising audio clip here. Let's play it to see if it fits our video. Listen carefully to determine if the music and messaging align with your project's tone and content before making a decision. Drag the audio file into the Drop Music section. Once it's added, click and drag the edge of the audio track to expand it, matching the length of your video. This ensures the audio plays throughout the entire video, providing a seamless and consistent soundtrack for your project. To replay the entire video, locate the playback controls beneath the video player. Click the circular arrow or replay button to start the video from the beginning. This will allow you to watch the full video again without having to manually scrub back to the start point. Let's preview the animation applied to this text element. Select the text, then click the play button or preview option. You'll see the block animation in action, showing how the element animates when the effect is triggered during playback. Select the lock animation option. In the description, notice they mention a merge animation as well. This means you can combine the lock animation with other effects in your project for a smoother, more integrated animation experience. Select this element or image. Since no animation has been added yet, you're free to edit it. Click on the element to bring up editing options. Make any adjustments you need before adding animation, as changes are easier to make at this stage. Select the stamp tool to place your chosen stamp on the project. You can also add additional elements to enhance your design further. These elements are sufficient and perfectly suited for this video. If you want to include more content, you can add additional videos later in the process. For now, keep the selection as it is. This keeps your video focused and concise. You can always return to make adjustments or add new clips as needed. Click the blank space to upload additional elements. For example, select Add, then choose a blank template. You can now add text manually or copy existing text by pressing Ctrl-D on your keyboard. Once you have your text, it will appear on the template. Drag the text to your desired location. After positioning the text, select the area surrounding the element to adjust its properties or format as needed for your project. On the blank page, we will edit our text. Let's begin by selecting the text area where changes are needed. Set the text color by selecting the text. Then choose any color you prefer. In this example, select yellow. Next, type your message in the text box. After entering your message, position the text box to the center of the canvas by dragging or using alignment tools. Finally, apply any additional formatting or effects as needed to complete the design and enhance the appearance of your text. Ensure your background looks good. Next, go to Effects and add an outline to the text for better visibility. After that, apply an animation to the text. These steps will enhance the overall appearance, making the final result more engaging and visually appealing for your audience. After viewing this slide, we can transition to the next slide by clicking the arrow or using the navigation controls. On this following slide, you'll find contact numbers and additional information about the creator. To display this information, simply advance to the corresponding slide in your presentation software. Be sure to highlight the contact details and any other relevant information for your audience. This makes important details easily accessible and ensures users know how to reach out for support or further inquiries related to the presentation content. To help users who have questions or want additional receipts, add a subtext below your main message. Click the text box to enter a helpful note, such as "For assistance or more receipts, please contact us." Next, provide a sample email for users to reach out. Type a random email address, like support@example.com, in the designated field. This makes it easy for users to inquire further or get the documents they need quickly and efficiently. To add another text element, click the text tool and type your desired text. Position it on your design as needed. To adjust the size, select the text box, then drag the corner handles inward to make it smaller. You can also fine-tune the font size from the toolbar above. To enhance your design further, click on the Elements tab. Browse the available graphics, shapes, lines, or icons you'd like to add. Drag your chosen element onto the canvas and move it into place. You can resize and rotate these elements as well to fit your overall design. Experiment with different combinations of text and elements to make your composition more visually appealing and effective for your project. Go to your device and open the command application. Once it's open, locate the main toolbar at the top of the window. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu, select New Command. Type your desired command into the text entry area. After entering your command, review for any errors. When you're ready, click the Submit button to save and execute your command. Your new command is now active within the command application. Let's add some random elements to fill the page. Click the Add Element button on the toolbar. Choose any item from the available options. Drag and drop the element onto the page. Repeat this process to add more elements, placing them wherever you like. Continue until the page is filled. This helps demonstrate how the layout adapts. Adjust the elements as needed to achieve a complete layout. Select all of the text you want to animate. Next, click the Animate button to add movement to your text. Once the animation is applied, you can preview your project by clicking the Play button to see the animation in action. Select the Tumble option to activate the feature. Once Tumble is enabled, return to the main game screen. Now, click the Play button to start another round with Tumble applied. Watch how the Tumble feature changes the game's mechanics and results. If you want to try it again, simply repeat these steps, activate Tumble, return to the main screen, and click Play. Experiment to see how Tumble affects your gameplay every time. Adjust the duration by selecting the timeline bar for your element and dragging its edge to the desired length. Next, you may want to adjust the duration of multiple elements at once. To do this, click the first element, then hold the Shift key and click the last element in the sequence. This action selects all elements in between. With all desired elements highlighted, drag one edge to adjust the duration for all selected elements simultaneously. This method is useful when you want multiple items to appear or disappear at the same time. By setting the durations together, your animation or video project stays organized, and timing between items remains consistent across your entire sequence. Trim the clip further to align it precisely with the main video. Adjust the edges by dragging them so the durations match. Once aligned, play back only the trimmed section to review your edits and ensure everything fits together seamlessly before moving on to the next steps. This is the end of the video. You also have the option to add an exit animation if you want to enhance the ending. However, for now, the current setup is complete and sufficient. No further animation is necessary unless you prefer additional effects. Select the object you want to animate. In the animation settings, activate the reverse exit animation option. Once you have enabled the reverse exit animation, try playing the animation to see the effect. This lets you preview how the reverse exit will appear in your project. You can also apply the animation effect to text. Simply select your text, go to the animation options, and choose the desired effect to animate your text element. After finishing your project, click the Share button at the top right of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select Download. From the available formats, choose Video. The file will automatically start downloading to your device, allowing you to share or use the video just like before. Now you can master Canva animation for eye-catching video presentations. Like what you learned? Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.